Our last story is this, the Rager MagFix Duo 2-in-1 wireless charger. So this mag thing, of course, is like the dead giveaway. It's a wireless charger, but it can do a lot more. It's MagSafe compatible, very, very well priced. And you can charge two things at the same time, so like a phone and maybe even your watch.
When Apple introduced the MagSafe feature in the latest iPhone 12 series, it was only a matter of time that we would get exciting accessories for these smartphones. And boy were we right. Today on the show, we have one such accessory that is being pitched exclusively for iPhone users. This is Rager's MagFix Duo Arc 1330, a wireless charging mat that comes with a fair share of quirks. Rager usually manages to impress us with unique designs for its accessories, and the Duo Arc 1330 is no different. The MagFix Duo is sleek, lightweight, and therefore super portable to carry around. This form factor also comes with certain practical applications, like the fact that this charging mat folds up. The MagFix Duo comes with an inbuilt device detection circuit that allows it to switch the power output accordingly. The charge output ranges from 5 watts and all the way up to 15 watts, all depending on the device's compatibility. We tested out charging prowess with our Android smartphone first. And yes, not only was our smartphone juicing up without any struggle, but there were no signs of overheating as well. This is a big plus for a wireless charger. While the MagFix Duo charger works well with most of the Qi-enabled smartphones, it is indeed pitched for users with the iPhone 12 series. So it was natural that we tested it out. Laying down our beloved iPhone 12 Pro, we let the MagFix Duo do its job, and yes, it was charging the device optimally. There is also a dedicated section for charging Apple Watches and AirPods on the mat. We are not on board with half the device being dedicated to Apple accessories, but then Rager has aggressively pitched the MagFix Duo for Apple users. Moving on, we charged our Apple Watch using the MagSafe Duo, and yes, it charged the smartwatch without any troubles. What adds to the experience is the nightstand mode, which turned the Apple Watch into a desk clock. And with that, it's time to wrap both the charger and this review. The MagFix Duo Arc 1330 successfully represents the idea of how well manufacturers can play around with iPhone's new MagSafe feature. At Rs 2,999, we can strongly recommend this wireless charger to an Apple user. As for the folks out there using Android smartphones, there are more suitable options for you out there.